In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Notion habit tracker using Notion buttons step by step so you can track your daily habits automatically with just one click. This setup is perfect if you want a clean, simple habit tracker without manually checking boxes every day. We'll use a built-in Notion template and customize it so it actually works for your routine. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and head to your main workspace. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Templates. This opens Notion's official template gallery where you can find ready-made systems for productivity, habits, and daily planning. Templates are a great starting point because they already include databases, buttons, and automations that would otherwise take time to build from scratch. Once you're inside the template section, scroll through or search until you find the Habit Tracker template. When you see it, click on Habit Tracker to open the template preview. From here, you can add it directly to your workspace by clicking the Use This Template button. The template will now be duplicated into your own Notion space, fully editable. After the template loads, take a moment to understand how it works. Near the top of the page, click on How this template works. This section explains the logic behind the tracker, including how the buttons update your habits and how the database stores daily entries. Understanding this part will help you customize the tracker later without breaking anything. Now let's start personalizing it. Scroll down to the Habits section and click into the Habits area. Here, you can type in the habits you want to track daily. This might include things like meditation, journaling, sleep, exercise, or anything else that matters to you. Don't worry about getting it perfect right now. You can always edit or add more habits later. Next, click on Meditated. This habit is already connected to a Notion button. When you click the button, it automatically logs that habit for the current day. This means you don't have to open a database or manually mark anything as complete. One click and it's done. After that, click on Journalising. Just like the meditation habit, this button is wired to update the habit tracker database. Each button is essentially an action that creates or updates a daily log, which is what makes this system so powerful and fast to use. Now click on At Yesterday. This part allows you to reference a specific date using Notion's date mentions. This is useful if you're backfilling habits or logging something you completed the previous day. Notion buttons can still work with relative dates, which makes your habit tracker more flexible. Next, click on 8 hours sleep. This habit button is a great example of tracking outcomes rather than tasks. When you click it, you're confirming that you hit your sleep goal for the day, and Notion logs it automatically in the background. Finally, click on the running habit. You'll notice the same behavior again. The button triggers an update without you needing to open or edit the database manually. This is the real benefit of using Notion buttons for habit tracking. It removes friction and makes consistency much easier. Once you've tested all your habit buttons, you can start customizing the tracker even more. You can rename habits, duplicate buttons, change icons, or connect buttons to different databases depending on your workflow. Over time, this becomes a powerful daily system that takes less than a minute to update. And that's it. You've successfully created a Notion habit tracker using Notion buttons that's simple, fast, and actually enjoyable to use. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials, templates, and productivity systems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.